Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel COP360. So today we are going to see some of the things which we could be able to utilize, shortcuts and tips which we could be able to utilize in the Windows OS. Shortcut number 1. So if you are basically opening, this is called a file explorer. So you could be able to easily open with the use of a click mouse. Okay, so you could be able to see from here, you could be able to navigate to whatever windows you want. But if you want to open another Windows Explorer, so then it would be a problem. So because of this reason, we could be able to use up a shortcut called Windows plus E. Okay, so click on Windows and E so that you could be able to open multiple windows at the same time. If say for example, if you are basically you want something over here, music, file in music, whereas if you want something over here in downloads, okay, so you could be able to go to different file explorer and you could be able to navigate on it. Okay, so it's the shortcut is so simple. It is basically Windows and E. So press on this and you will be able to get a new file explorer. And shortcut number 2. Okay, so basically we have opened 2 to 3 file explorer, right? So we really want to switch between each and file explorer. Say for example, I have right now music over there, and downloads I have, file explorer, Windows has been opened. Okay, so I want to switch between these two, or if there is something, any other software which has been opened on the other hand, I have to navigate towards it. So what I will be in a position to do? So we will be going by the mouse clicks. Okay, so we will be just navigating by use of Windows C or something like that. So like this we will be going over, but that would take a good number of time. So what is the alternate way to do it? So we could be able to use a thing called Alt plus Tab. So how you are supposed to use it? Like you have to have your thumb finger over, I mean like your left thumb finger onto the alt button, and then you have to navigate to the pointing finger has to be onto your tab. So you can navigate easily and switch between each and every file explorer or whatever which has been opened onto your system or a screen. So you could be easily navigating towards each and every one, and whatever the thing you want, so you can at that point of time you can leave your alt button so that the particular window will be appearing onto the screen. So this is shortcut number 2. So now shortcut number 3. Okay, so right now I have around 3 file explorer which has been opened at my end. Okay, so I really want this to be opened at once, all at once. Basically I really don't want this alt tab to navigate each and every screen, but I really want these 3 windows to be opened and I just want to see those things on one screen. Okay, let me see, like there is 3 file explorer. I really want to see all the 3 file explorer in one screen. So what I could be able to do? Okay, so in this scenario you have to go to the taskbar. Okay, and then right click on it, and you will be having an option called show windows side by side. Okay, so in this thing we could be able to the file explorer could be able to go to each and every small bits and pieces of it, and you could be able to monitor all your file explorer within one simple screen. If say for example I am also opening like 5 to 6 file explorer, let me say like Windows C I am opening, and I am just going to videos. Okay, and then another Windows C I am opening, and I am just moving into something called 3D objects. Okay, so right now how many file explorer I have? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 5 I have. Okay, so if you could be able, if I want this 5 file explorer to be visible for me at once, say for example at one screen I really want to see all my 5 file explorer, then I could basically go to the taskbar, right click on it. So you will be getting a pop-up window, I mean like pop-up the thing like this, and in this you could be able to go with show windows side by side. So this will be in a position to show all your file explorer on a minimalistic view. So this could be able to, you could be able to monitor what are all the things right on the which is basically running on the file explorer. So when this would be useful is basically while you were working on something, or it's basically mainly used in the companies or offices, because if you want to monitor on one file explorer and for the other project you want to monitor on the other things, so that this will be a minimalistic as well as a very efficient way of managing things. Okay, so in this scenario, don't go with the thumbnails, you can go with the list option, so it will be quite easy and more visibility could be enhanced. This is a small tip over here. And yeah, so this is number 3. Let me go to the number 4 shortcuts, which I have faced is as useful. Okay, so moving towards it, yeah, so Windows R. So Windows R is extremely very useful command. So what happens here is, like, while you were running your you know while you are running your machines for a large number of time, obviously some of the uh, unwanted caches would be stored onto your temp folder, so that has to be extremely cleared. So for this, list run command is extremely useful. So please make sure you do delete all these things within a at least 2 weeks or something like that. So over here, to enhance the performance of the system, you can basically use this shortcut, but basically use this shortcut after like 2 to 3 weeks or something like that, or 1 to 2 weeks. That will really enhance the performance of the system. So percentage temp percentage, okay, and you will be able to see some of the unwanted things which is being stored in the temp file. So go to Control A and go to Shift Delete, which will permanently delete the 21 items which is being present. So click on yes, and obviously some items won't be deleted, so do this for all the current items, so those things would be skipped. Okay, yeah, so this is one of the shortcut, and this is also one of the thing which would really enhance the performance and the of the system, and which will be for a longer run. Yeah, so this is one of the things which I have faced. It's really very useful. And yeah, so these are the things which I have thought like it's a very useful things, and it's a very useful shortcuts which I came across in my work experience, or in my college life. So I think that would be useful to you as well, and meet you tomorrow in yet another interesting video, or something which is really useful for you. And till then, bye bye.